Welcome to my channel. I used items from the Dollar Tree in my project today. Let's start with the dress, using the socks with the little llama. First, cut off the toe of both socks. Then cut an opening in the back of the socks. And I cannot believe I cut holes in the socks when cutting off the tag. Rather than just giving up, I always try to find a way to correct my mistakes. In this case, I just used the toe of the sock and made 2 little round patches and hand sewed the patches onto the holes. Next, you put the right sides together, leave an opening for the armhole. If you baste the socks first, you will not have that waffle effect that happens when you sew stretchy fabric with the sewing machine. You can leave the basting thread or remove it. I did try to match the heel part of the sock. I used the ribbon from another purchase at the Dollar Tree to make the straps. Seal the ends with heat and hand sew the ribbon to the socks. Tuck the corners to make a triangle-shaped top. Hand sew the armholes. Now let's work on the shoes. The small and the large pouch came together in one purchase. I used the larger pouch for the shoes. I disassembled the pouch, and I will save the zipper for another project. I used white fabric for the lining and traced the shoe pattern onto the lining. My shoe pattern is found in my Etsy shop, linked in the description box. I placed the lining onto the right side of the pouch fabric. You can see where I sewed with my machine. For more details, watch the video shown here. Make sure you clip all the curves and the corners. Turn it, and then I made sure my iron was on a low setting to press. I did sew a top stitch. Next, let's make the purse. I used the smaller of the 2 pouches that came together in the one purchase. Do not disassemble this time. The pouch already has these little tags on each side. I used soft cording to make the strap. Make a few hand stitches to hold the straps in place. You might have noticed my bracelet. The little flamingo bracelet became a cute necklace for the outfit. I used that same soft cording to trim the shoes. The gathered skirt is just an extra addition to the outfit. I am using polka dot material from the craft section of the Dollar Tree. Measure the waistline of the doll and measure your preferred length. Cut 2 rectangles according to these measurements. I'm using the soft cotton cord again for the loop, the buttonhole loop. Attach it to the right side of the fabric as shown in the picture. Cut off the excess. Cut the corner of the fabric. Turn to the right side, and you have a nice little waistband. Use your favorite method of gathering for the larger rectangle. Attach to your waistband and zigzag or serge for a nice finished edge. Grab a button. I use an old hardware plastic storage container for my button storage. You will need to pin the hem to your desired length, and I hemmed with my sewing machine. Here's the outfit with the skirt and without. Thanks so much for watching.